Top 4 AI video generator apps that turn text into videos instantly in 2026. These tools are changing how creators make viral content fast. Number 4, this app is going viral right now in the US. And at number 4, we have Vivago.ai. Yeah, this isn't your normal editing app. It's basically an AI content studio in your pocket. Vivago.ai lets you turn simple photos and text into full blown viral videos in seconds. You won't believe this, but people are uploading a picture of their pets and turning them into full dance battle clips. Team Meow versus Team Woof, doing trending moves like viral dance styles you've probably seen on TikTok. And this is where it gets crazy, it's not just pets. You can upload a photo of your kid and generate full dance scenes with music, motion, and festival vibes. Or just type an idea like a cat walking through a neon city at night, and it turns it into a full AI video. But wait, there's more. Most people miss this part. It also has text to image, image to video, and AI portrait tools. So you can literally create thumbnails, edits, and cinematic clips without any editing skills. And the real reason people love it is it's beginner friendly, no experience needed, just ideas. Plus, it's got over 10M plus downloads and a 4.2 rating, so it's already trending hard. At number 3, this might be the closest thing to having a full film crew inside your laptop, and most people are sleeping on it. Meet Invido Agent One AI video generator rated 4.4 stars with over 130k reviews and 5 million plus installs. Now, here's what makes it crazy useful. Instead of struggling with complicated editing or writing perfect prompts, you just talk like a director. You describe your idea and it builds the scenes for you. Need changes? It gets even better. You can edit multiple shots at once, change locations, switch lighting from day to night, even adjust character looks, all in one go. And it remembers your project too. So if you come back days later, everything is still there exactly how you left it. No starting over, no lost progress. What really stands out is the teamwork feature. Writers, editors, and creators can all work inside the same project at the same time, like a real production studio. Plus, it quietly picks the best tools behind the scenes for each shot, so you don't waste time figuring anything out. This isn't just editing, it feels like directing a full movie from your screen. And if you're into content creation, ads, or short films, this one could seriously change your workflow. Number 2, we've got Grok, the AI assistant, and it's taking over with a massive 4.7 out of 5 rating and over 100 million installs. Grok isn't just another chatbot. It's built by XI to be fast, smart, and extremely helpful. You can ask it any question, get real time answers, generate stunning AI images, and even upload photos to understand what you're seeing in seconds. With over 3 million reviews, users love how natural and human like it feels compared to other AI tools. It's like having a powerful assistant in your pocket 24/7. So, would you trust an AI like Grok for your daily life? Comment below. Finally, the number 1, we've got Pix AI video generator, one of the most powerful AI video apps right now, with a 4.3 star rating, over 4 million reviews, and more than 50 million installs. This isn't just another editing app, it's a full AI creative studio in your pocket. With text to video, you simply type your idea and Pixverse transforms it into a stunning cinematic video using advanced AI models. Got images? The image to video feature brings them to life with smooth, realistic motion like they were filmed in real life. And it gets crazier. You can set a first and last frame, and the AI fills in the entire scene in between, like magic storytelling. Need more content? Just use video extension and it continues your scene automatically. Plus, motion control lets you mimic real actions, and speech integration adds realistic dialogue in multiple languages. From viral dance effects to transformation edits and nostalgic photo animations, this app is built for creators, TikTokers, and YouTubers who want attention grabbing content fast. And the best part? It delivers HD results in just 5 seconds. So if you're ready to turn imagination into viral videos, Pixverse is your shortcut to next level content creation. That's the top 4 AI video generator apps for 2026. Which one would you try first? Drop your favorite in the comments.